Welcome back to the High Table Podcast. It is what it is. Mapungo pezi, whether it's entertainment, whether it's Vila Zvila, so mapungo ndo wafarana ni mapungo akudinga manda ni mapungo dana gomba komandi ambaye ni Makhadzi the African Queen album inabo ndikale watu buli ndera ndikale watu kubuzo hey iko drop ali ni kwetia mini zinongo roko the drop yana I guess the deluxe album that I remember it's never gonna see the light, so we're gonna have a brand new album. The album with the African Queen or African Queen album ine could drop ane palangazi 3 September. The album in the Banjuri library reading data Urikono China or has not track enough and the Linde. It's one of the track in our hey Yachi performer bone. You quit us to Ndangi Wotangana and Riebone. The track already you know about you already have it the single Ganama Nori. It's already out the alt single you were in a country when a controversy yana between Ene Namna the Mari the muddy under the bridge the mother Pironga Pasia bro. I don't know Nandisa Hanguna on the 18th of October. Mizo Phyll will drop a brand new album. So also I'm expecting Madinga Matombona Misara Sara Diri Huduti Asu to Venda Dongarodo Deep Pamanbone Basango Hango check out that single Festos Valley Miabana never in a Mizo Phyll na Paparico in a Drubango the single in our ego Sindangamanda. I'm so saying the Kotodo Bona music video hone the Siango Footer Cosana Mapungone were Tam Tam look at the push or guys shoot the music video. That's a whole drops like it's a full package song. It's a dope song. It's a hit song. In here, if you get a music video and get a chance to be on TV, I'm telling you, it can shift you guys to another level. So I'm gonna Tondi is about to drop a brand new music video for At the Bar. So, don't forget to check out the albums that will drop, and inside not forgetting Big Zulu. Now the will drop a 3 September. That could drop a brand new album. Born who would they tell you to happen? Ne, never funa zone. Amara here, but someone will subscribe or like or comment or share. And as we can, but you thought that you hit us up 082 6937 124. Number that is WhatsApp.